Hello, dear children. Today, let us begin with a wonderful poem that is The Wonderful World, written by W.B. Yeats. Have you ever looked around the world you live in? Have you ever noticed the wonderful things it has? The poet in this poem is talking about the things like air, mountains, water, etc., which makes our world a wonderful place to live in. Before we look into the poem, let us know something about the poet. William Whitey Yeats was a British writer and one of the major authors of nursery rhymes of the Victorian era. He was born on 24 December 1823, London, UK. He was also known as Laureate of the Nursery. So let us read the poem. The wonderful world, great, wide, beautiful, wonderful world with the wonderful water around you curled and the wonderful grass upon your breast, world, you are beautifully dressed. The wonderful air is over me and the wonderful wind is shaking the tree. It walks on the water and whirls the mills and talks to itself on the top of the hills. You friendly earth, how far do you go? With the wheat fields that nod and the rivers that flow, the cities and gardens and cliffs and isles, and people upon you for thousands of miles. Ah, you are so great and I am so small. I tremble to think of you, world, at all. And yet, when I said my prayers today, I whisper inside me, seem to say, you are more than the earth, though you are such a dot. You can love and think, and the earth cannot. Written by W.B. Yeats. Dear students, now let us have a look into the summary of the poem. In the first part of the poem, the poet emphasizes the idea of the greatness and largeness of the earth, how beautiful it looks. In the second part of the poem, the poet compares the world to himself. At first, he says that he is so small in size compared to the world. However, while he was praying, he hears a whisper that comes from within him, which says that man is much more important than the world. This is because man has something special that the earth does not possess, and that is the ability of love, think, and reason, something the world, no matter how beautiful it is, cannot do. Dear students, now let us discuss the new words. Cliffs, stiff high rocks at the edge of the sea, curled, to be in a circular position, dressed, isles, island. Miles, unit for measuring distance, tremble, to shake in a manner that one cannot control because one is very excited. Worlds, move quickly in a particular direction or in a circle. Whisper, to talk in a low voice, wonderful, pleasant. I hope you all understood the poem. Thank you.